came the Hashif.
I'm a Gléidheadh, Tapla.
Agus Céilidh an horst.
Catherine MacDonald.
Agus Colaisde how.
I'm for Northeast Mabou.
Agus Catherine the Hoko.
And a Northeast.
Agus Melissa Chase Wandiga happens. Can you tell us some of your genealogy on your father's side and your mother's side?
My father was a McGuinness from Kenlaw. And my mother was a Gillis from Port Hood.
Okay. And her name was Margaret?
Margaret, yes.
And your father's
name was John James.
John James McGuinness. Yes. And you have some brothers and sisters?
Yes, I had 6 brothers and 2 sisters.
I guess coming to Hoodoo hours at the Gaelic. How were you introduced to Gaelic growing up? Hear it all the time at home?
At home.
Yes.
I
could say.
Uh-huh.
The parents then bring Gaelic and
that bring Gaelic, fat na húnne.
Always in that. I guess I knew the Chaim gon Sqaure. I wrote bring Gaelic.
That I wrote Bea Wackham. I shouldn't have Sqaure. That.
I guess the Brahadin, I guess the Pupidin by Assen bring Gaelic.
That Voluunteer stay.
I guess the Chores. That's
right.
I guess and wrote Gaelic arms the Sqaure.
I wrote.
And roll family the chin and tayak to bring Gaelic.
That. That Voluunteer.
I guess I roll family of course the Shane out in Gàidhlig, would you? Singing, Gaelic singing.
Oh, that. Yeah.
Now, who would be good Gaelic singers in your
we had
area?
Alec Brown, Johnny Angus. Is John R. Beaton.
Okay. Donald MacDonald.
Oh, yes, Donald MacDonald.
Alec Brown, Johnny Angus.
Yeah.
And was he a relative of yours?
No.
So, Anish me in an open jackets. Did you go away to work like some younger people in your day?
Yes,
a lot of people went to Boston and Toronto.
Yes, I went to Toronto. Yeah.
How old were you when you went to Toronto?
17.
17.
Yeah.
Right. And so you worked up there. You
yes,
work.
I worked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For how many years now?
20 years.
20 years.
Yeah.
And then you moved back.
I moved back
in
1980. Yeah. And
Chores at the open the Gene.
Oh, mammy go up at son government.
On the Toronto.
And Toronto. Right.
I guess I knew about Gléidheadh. I should have Gléidheadh open in the Vala in the Neden. Chores at the open of Gléidheadh.
Oh, well, Washington and Voluunteer. Koper it hier. Hij is koper in zijn thuis.
Tussen
hij is flashing down zijn tara. milking the cows.
Oh, yes.
And
Blowing. That was the shame.
and listen, blowing the marsh.
Yeah.
It's sin bashing would have been bang through separators.
Yes.
I made gin of cash. I skirts. I bashing gin of Adam. Machine.
Adam Koshka, could you?
Oh, she. Oh, I see how it's brisk. It's just Adam. It's Banach. She took all the.
With the bar.
That's she.
With the millist.
Uh-huh.
I guess my family, of course, we at the Gléidheadh.
Yeah.
I roll an Gléidheadh and
I wrote by my brain.
I guess she shares at the Gléidheadh, we at the thing.
Lobster.
Yeah.
She got in my hands a lobster. Yeah.
Crab and lobster.
Just at that time, we just lobster.
Oh, okay. Some people are getting tuna these days.
Yes, yeah, tuna. And
roll bath and mold and that.
well, mór go leabhar a rá dulas mór.
Be at the fall tries of that.
Bhí, céad óin.
She up and crowing around.
Sé.
I guess be standing in now.
Bhí.
A raw for this thing.
Yeah.
Angus, this be told me in an open I could be doing volunteer work, could you?
Bhí doing volunteer was a hennig miach in a shaw. I made a minor hockey as athletic centres, curling.
Wow.
I mean, doing Breton machines.
Of course, the Mabou ceilidh.
It's Breton machine. Yeah.
So each of you can be in Downsican, of course, the shop.
Oh, I go out the dancing now sounds.
Okay, like it's she about like a 1,000.
Oh, by me 16.
So you were 16 when you went to your first day?
Yes.
Okay. And where was it? Do you remember?
It was in Glenville.
Glenville, in the hall in Glenville?
In Glenville. I snuck there.
You did? And who was playing? Do you remember?
Winston.
Winston Fitzgerald. Oh, weren't you blessed?
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah.
That would have been a good dance.
It was a good dance.
And who was playing the piano with him?
And this is a little story. I wasn't allowed to go, but I snuck there with my brothers. And they had a door prize of a turkey.
Oh.
And guess who won the turkey?
No.
I had to take the turkey home in a bag so my mother knew I was there. Would me.
The word got out, see?
Would me hell.
Yeah. Oh my God, and the place would have been packed.
Oh, packed, yes. Yeah.
From all over.
All over the place. Yeah.
So after that, you attended a lot of dances in Mabou, I bet.
Yeah, well, then I went away and I didn't.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. What year did you go away again?
60.
1960.
Yeah.
So they had some concerts and ceilidhs around too.
Yeah.
Before you left there. Do you remember some of the performers of those?
No, see, well, we weren't going to them because we were not able. We didn't have a car.
Yeah.
But I did. My father used to step dance at the concerts, and we went to a Broad Cove concert one time, and he was step dancing there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so that was about the only concert I remember going to before I left home.
Yeah. So that's where you got your dancing.
That's where I got. Yeah. Yeah.
That's great. And any of the family play any instruments? Or
No.
Piano or anything?
No.
Just good dancers?
Just good dancers, yeah.
Well, that's an important role to play too. There wouldn't be any dances without the dancers.
No.
Yeah. So you're a regular attendee now at dances around now since you moved back home.
Yes.
Eh?
Yeah.
I've seen you myself in Brook Village.
Brook Village, West Mabou.
Glenville.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't beat them.
You can't beat the dances, no.
Yeah. Great fun. Good exercise too.
Yes, great exercise.
I'd like to hear your thoughts now, Catherine, on step dancing and step dancers in the area.
Yeah. Well, there's some good step dancers. There's Harvey McKinnon, Alexander MacDonald,
Right.
Ali Huey MacDonald, Minnie Beaton when I was young, and Harvey Beaton. There's a lot of young step dancers coming up.
Yes,
Yeah.
indeed.
Yeah.
And they're good too.
And they're good,
Yeah.
and they're Sarah McGuinness,
Yes.
good step dancer, and the young ones. There's a lot of young ones, but
Yes.
Rodney MacDonald, and there's many good step dancers. So many that you can't take them all. Yeah.
A lot of good ones.
A lot of good ones. Yeah.
Willie Fraser was
Willie Fraser,
a big
yes,
name years
a
ago.
big name.
And Thomas MacDonald.
Yeah.
Wow.
Don Roddy
Obviously,
MacDonald, yeah.
Don Roddy.
Yeah. And Benedict MacDonald, Mary Janet.
Yes.
Yeah. That's pretty well all I can remember, I suppose. If you sat and thought about it for a couple of hours.
Do you find the style of step dancing is changing?
Yes,
Is it?
it is.
You
It's
know, we were always heard that close to the
floors, right.
Yes.
And not to be jumping around the floor. Yeah. You can stand in one spot and like Willie Fraser did. Yeah. Yeah. So.
How about the Sqaure sets? Have they changed
Oh, yeah.
over the years?
They've changed a lot. Yeah. There's
Used to be
15
prompters
used to
ago.
be prompters, and there was 4 couples to a set, and today there's 14 couples to a set. So that's changed. And we need to get prompters back. Yeah. Yeah.
And there was a time when there was a lot of round dancing.
Yes.
At the dances. You don't see that so
You don't
much
see
now.
that so much, no.
It was nice too.
It was great. Yeah.
It gave a nice break
Yes.
between the sets.
That's right. Yeah, it was very good.
And sometimes it would just be piano playing for
Yeah.
the round dancing. Do you remember that?
Yes.
In Brook Village?
Yeah. It was nice.
Who would be playing now for the piano?
Well, Joey Beaton played the
Yes.
country and western tunes and
Yeah.
songs on the piano.
Waltzes.
The waltzes. Oh, yeah. That was nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. And Jeanette MacDonald. She used to sing.
Oh, yeah.
And her husband played the guitar for the round dancing.
Really?
Yeah. That was nice.
Oh.
So at the concerts, do you remember people that were stood out in your mind as being good Gaelic singers?
The Rankin girls in the coal mines.
Yes.
Very good.
Very good.
Yeah, and Ronald Mackenzie.
Yes.
And Don McDonald too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this Ronald's good.
Yeah. It's nice to see the young people.
Yes. Taking I guess so.
Too.
Especially in the Gaelic and that.
Yes. Yeah. Now we have Sarah McGinnis there.
We have so much talent.
In West Mabou.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good. Yeah, there's a lot of opportunities now for young people.
Yes.
There wasn't.
We were growing up. Yeah. It was. We were born too soon.
Yeah. Yeah, but we love the music.
Oh, we love the music. Yeah.
So what about fiddlers now? Is there any fiddlers, past or present, that stand out in your mind? That
well, Winston Fitzgerald, and yeah, Joe McLean.
Yes.
Yes, I liked him. And Collie's brother, Kenneth Joseph.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah. Oh, lots of them.
Yeah.
A lot of good fiddlers.
Almost every house had a fiddle in it.
Yes,
time.
but us.
Yeah, you didn't have.
We didn't have a fiddle. No.
Okay.
No.
Were there any pipers around your area when you were growing up?
Not that I can remember. See, I left home so soon.
Yes. Yeah. So, do you have a favorite Gaelic song that you like?
I have Ellen Marie.
Ellen Marie, that's a nice song.
Yeah, it's a beautiful song.
Yeah. How does it start? Sqaure
Misham and Ellen Marie.
Okay,
I don't know.
I guess
all the way in the trade, roaming in the boy. I said, by me Ceilidh ride. Yeah, a Hulishin and a Gaelic. Oh my man.
Catch a Roisin.
Gléidheadh.
That
very new from
Scotland.
Yes, Sean Dewey.
I guess about the Brain Gaelic.
The Hulishin and a Gaelic. Oh, by my. Yeah.
I was just thinking of that. Machasashaw. They say to us.
What was it?
Machasashaw.
Machasashaw, yeah. Clear the machas.
Get out of the way,
Yes, get out of the way.
And Grisors.
Grisors, yes. Hurry up. It's Scudchin. Scudchin. Skripterboo.
That's a dandy.
That's a dandy, yeah. Clear as a rat.
Clear as a rat.
Gavamach.
And slow down. What's that another one you used? Give it the Hawkers.
Give it the Hawkers.
You say Shinuhain?
Shinuhain, she.
And can you tell me some words you heard around the farm? Like, what would you say? Splitting wood.
Gàidhlig.
And picking berries. How did you say that? Thrussen?
Thrussen. See.
Yeah.
Gaelic Mact.
Came it out of us who burned.
Turn.
So.
So.
And card playing.
Oh.
Playing cards.
Queen of Hurst.
Boat. How do you say
Bath.
Bath. Bath. And Russia Gaeluni, or the Gaelic, the Nula Beck. Were you saying prayers in Gaelic when you were young?
Well, we weren't. Well, I guess we probably were, but when we'd say the rosary at night,
your mother.
When my mother would say them, and we'd answer.
Yes.
And but I can't remember them now.
No. But she said them all the time. And,
oh yeah, she said them her when she was saying her own prayers. They were in Gaelic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you'd be hearing.
I'd be.
Yeah. So nowadays, they'll have a service in Gaelic once in a while here with Father Bernie. He'll have it during the Mabou Ceilidh. They sometimes have a service, and some of it is in Gaelic.
Some of it is in Gaelic, yeah. Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah. But Gaelic went out of style for a while.
It did, yes.
Yeah.
And that was a bad thing, wasn't
yes, and then when you're away from it.
It was discouraged.
I was away from it for 20 years and I forgot a lot.
Mm-hmm. But it'll come back to you.
Well, it's coming.
Yeah. And do you ever sit in on any of these classes?
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
That
oh, yeah, I love that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fun.
And it'll bring it back.
It brings it back. Yeah. Just hard sometimes to put them in a good sentence.
Yes. Well, it's like anything else, I guess, like practice.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And to be talking every day or hearing it every
day.
And
this is it. When you don't have anybody to talk to.
Yeah.
It's
good to have tapes and things.
That
personal learning. Yeah.
Yeah.
So were you ever to Scotland?
No.
No?
Never.
Would you like to go?
I would love to go.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, I hope you get there.
I do too. Maybe we'll go together.
Well, that'd be good. Yeah, it would be really something to follow the footsteps of the people.
It would be.
Before us.
Yeah.
So what sort of changes have you seen yourself over the years with regard to Gaelic language and culture?
Well, I'm glad to see it coming back.
Yes.
It's been, because I think it was out for years.
Mm-hmm.
And now it's the last few years it's coming back and it's great. Yeah.
Yes, you see some people are teaching their children Gaelic
at
home.
Yeah.
And, that's a great thing.
It is.
And the milling frolics, do you remember seeing milling frolics?
Yeah.
Yeah. You remember when you were young seeing the milling frolics?
No, I don't remember that.
But there's been some changes. Like
said. Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of changes.
And that's a good thing. For people to be learning.
Oh God, yeah, it's good to see it coming back.
Yeah.
So strong too.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the Gaelic College are encouraging that.
Yes.
Through all them courses they have down there.
Mm-hmm. And the Gaelic sessions we have, like in Mabou, and Marguerite and Gléidheadh.
Right.
Yeah.
And they always have things at the Drochaid.
Yes.
They see him here in Mabou.
Yeah.
That's encouraging.
Yeah.
So what future do you see for Gaelic in the years to come? Do you think it's...
God. Well, I'm thinking it'll last.
Yeah.
For
some
time, yeah.
Yes. Well,
hopefully it will. It's been here since a long time, so yeah.
And that's part of the reason the people came over here in the first place was to protect the language.
Yeah, the language, yeah.
So what advice do you have for learners, young or old? Do you think there's things they could be doing to improve their...
Well, just practice and go for Gaelic lessons.
Yes.
Yeah.
And trying
That's what I'm doing, trying to get it back.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's good advice.
Yeah.
And train the ear, listen to it as much as you can.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And talk it, even if you can't. Somebody will
even
tell
if
you.
You think you're making a mistake.
Yeah. Someone will correct you or help you out. Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah. Yeah.
So would you like to add anything else before we end the interview?
No,
Catherine?
Shin-Cloud.
Do they call you in Gaelic Gléidheadh or Katrina?
Well, they call me, I'd rather Gléidheadh, but they call me Katrina.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'd like to thank you now on behalf of the Gaelic College for participating in this interview today. And we really appreciate your time and your efforts to promote and to save the language. It's well worth it. And,
it is. Yeah.
Because it's a beautiful language.
It is a beautiful language. I love it.
Yes.
Yeah.
And,
thank you for coming.
You're welcome. Well, thanks.
Sure.